Allow the test cassettes, reagents and specimens to equilibrate to room temperature, 15-30 C or 59-86 F, prior to testing. Open the box and take out all components. The kit consists of instructions for use, rapid SARS-CoV-2 antigen test card, sterilized swab, collection tube, and biohazard waste container. Sample collection. Insert the extraction tube into the holder of the box. Remove the nasal swab from the packet. Carefully insert the swab into the nostril. The swab tip should be inserted up to an inch from the edge of the nostril. Dab along the lining of the nostril to ensure that both mucus and cells are collected. Roll the swab several times. Remove the swab from the nasal cavity. Place the swab with specimen into the extraction tube. Roll the swab 3 to 5 times. Leave the swab in the extraction buffer for 1 minute. Pinch the extraction tube with fingers and remove the solution from the swab as much as possible. Put the used swab in the biohazard waste container. Install the nozzle cap onto the sample extraction tube tightly. Open the pouch and remove the card. Invert the extraction tube, and gently squeeze the extraction tube. Add 2 to 3 drops of the test sample into the sample hole. Start the timer. Read the result at 15 to 20 minutes. Don't read results after 20 minutes. Interpretation of results. Positive. If 2 ribbons appear within 15 to 20 minutes, the test result is positive and valid. Negative. If a ribbon appears in the control zone within 15 to 20 minutes, but there is no ribbon in the test zone, the test result is negative. Invalid. The test result is invalid if there is no colored band in the control zone within 15 to 20 minutes. Repeat the test with a new test device. Place all the components in the provided plastic biohazard waste container. Seal the bag and throw it away.